Hello and welcome. Today we are going to be talking about the concept of affirmations. Have you ever heard of affirmations? They are positive statements that you can use to promote personal growth, build self-confidence, and reinforce positive beliefs. In this video, we will explore what affirmations are, how they work, and how you can use them to improve your life. First, what are affirmations? Affirmations are short, positive statements that you can use to help reprogram your subconscious mind and promote positive thinking. They are often used in the context of self-help, personal development, and psychology to help individuals overcome negative self-talk, self-doubt, and limiting beliefs. How do affirmations work? Affirmations work by helping to shift your mindset from negative to positive. They are repeated to oneself regularly, and by doing so, they begin to sink into the subconscious mind. The subconscious mind is incredibly powerful, and it controls a lot of our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. By regularly repeating positive affirmations, you can begin to reprogram your subconscious mind to believe in your abilities and see positive changes in your life. Some examples of affirmations that you can use in your daily life include: I am worthy and deserving of love. I trust in my abilities to achieve my goals. I am grateful for all the abundance in my life. How to use affirmations? To use affirmations, start by selecting a few positive statements that resonate with you. Write them down or memorize them, and then repeat them to yourself regularly. You can say them out loud or in your head, and it's best to repeat them at least once a day. You can also write them down and post them somewhere you'll see them often, like on your mirror or computer screen. Conclusion is: affirmations are a powerful tool that you can use to improve your life. By shifting your mindset from negative to positive, you can begin to see positive changes in your thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. So why not give it a try? Choose a few positive affirmations that resonate with you, and start incorporating them into your daily routine. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on your journey to personal growth and self-improvement.